Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be comparing two amazing Intel processors that are the talk of the town. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of which one suits your needs the most. So stay tuned and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. If you're on a tight budget, the Intel Core i5-12400 is the winner as it cost only $182. While the Intel Core i5-12600KF is priced at $213. Both processors offer hyper-threading architecture that delivers high performance for demanding applications with improved onboard graphics and turbo boost. However, the clock speed of i5-12600KF is 3.9 GHz, while i5-12400 is only 2.5 GHz. So, if you need a faster processor, go for the i5-12600KF. The i5-12600KF has 16 MB of L3 cache, whereas i5-12400 has 18 MB of L3 cache. So, if you require better cache handling, go for i5-12400. The i5-12400 has a built-in Intel UHD Graphics 730 controller for improved graphics and visual quality. It also supports up to 4 monitors, whereas the i5-12600KF only has an onboard graphics controller. So, if you need better graphics, go for i5-12400. Both processors use socket LGA 1700 for installation on the PCB. That's a wrap, guys. We hope this video helped you make an informed decision about which processor to choose. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech content.